Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can easily download or install the AS Block Tax PR app on your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, make sure your device is connected to a secured internet connection. And let's click on the App Store. In the search bar above, you can just type in AS Block Tax PRP. You can find various options here. For now, let's click on the second one. And here we go, you can watch the screenshots and reviews if you want to. Click Get to start the download process. It will open a prompt where you can be asked for your ID verification. You have to verify your identity with Face ID or Touch ID. And finally, the download has been started. It may take a few minutes, and after that, AS Block Tax PR app is now available on your device too. Open the app and explore its features. For now, I have to go. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.